With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so today's question is, in the curve x is equals to a cos t plus log tan t by 2 and y is equals to a sin t. Show that the portion of tangent between the point of contact, this is what the point of contact, and x-axis is of constant length. So first of all, we have given a curve and x is equals to x and y, and we have to need to show that the portion of tangent between the point of contact and x-axis is constant length. That means we need to find the slope. And slope is what? Dy by dx. So first of all, x is given as a cos t plus log of tan t by 2. And y is given as a sin t. So dx by dt, nothing but differentiation of this with respect to t. So a cos t differentiation is minus of sin t. And log tan t by 2 differentiation is, log difference is when log x is equals log of x. Then differentiation is 1 upon x. So you can say that it is 1 upon tan t by 2. And tan t by 2 differentiation is sec square t by 2, and t by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. So you can say that 1 into sec square t by 2 divided by 2 tan t by 2. And dy by dt, that is differentiation of y term with respect to t, you have of a cos t, that is sin t, differentiation is cos t. Now you have this as, you can write this as a cos t, and we need to simplify this. So you can say that dx by dt is equals to a minus of sin t as it is. This can be written as 1 upon 2 tan t by 2 cos of t by 2, because sec square t by 2 can be written as cos of t by 2. Sec square t by 2 can be written 1 upon cos square t by 2. Now I can say that a minus of sin t plus 1 upon, this can be written as 2 tan t by 2 cos t by 2. So this can be written as 2 tan, this can be written as 2 of when it is in the form of cos. So you can write this as a minus sin t plus 1 upon 2. Tan t by 2 can be written as sin t by 2 divided by cos of t by 2 into cos square t by 2. As you know that that's cancelled. So we are left out with a minus sin t plus 1 upon, this is 1 upon 2 sin t by 2 cos of t by 2. So you are left with this. As you know that 2 sin t by 2 cos of t by 2 is the identity. What identity? You know that sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x. Then what is sin x? Sin x will be 2 sin x by 2 cos of x by 2. So by this identity, you will have a minus of sin t plus 1 upon, this can be written as sin of t. So by taking LCM, you have a 1 minus sin square t divided by sin t, and you know that 1 minus sin square t can be written as a cos square t divided by sin of t. So this is what dx by dt. This is dx by dt. We need to find the slope dy by dx. So we are going to divide dx by dt with dy by dt. So dy by dx by dt is a cos square t by t only, not t by 2, divided by sin t, and dy by dt is a cos t. So a is cancelled. So you're left out with tan of t, and this is your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.